ganda, oh. Mamaya babalikan kita mamaya. Mamaya babalik tayo. Ito yung mga ano, may mga alak. Init. Sus, hindi ka makasingit dito. Pila. Mamaya na nga lang. Salad-salad muna tayo. Saan kaya yung tubig? Ito muna kakainin ko. Ito muna. Potato salad. And then ano, hindi ko makasingit doon, oh. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao doon.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Diyos ko, ang init. Sobrang init. Sabi ko na mainit dito. Paano kayo nakakuha niya? Marami pa kaya? Baka maubusan na tayo.
Mamaya ka na kasi mag-video dun.
Ano yan? Sana ako na nakakanta, no? Nagpa-flat siya kanina pa. You say that on a jet plane, I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I let you go. Woo! Alright. Nakakatakot to.
Balikan mo natin mamaya, di ba? Oo,
Nakakatakot naman nun.
ay pag nakuha ka ng sushi.
Hindi pa ako nakakain talaga. Ito yung mga pagkain ko. Ito may nakuha na akong ano, heavy. Sige, kakainin ko yun.
Mahal kasi.
And smile for me. Mataga hanggang ano oras to?
7.
7 ng gabi? Ay, iikutin talaga buong ano?
Babalik pa tayo na ulit.
Ah, talaga? Ay, bongga. Ah! When I'll be back again, oh baby, I'll let you go. Yung pagkain.
Let's ask the grocery. We are passing what Arun Temple, guys. You can see this is a beautiful temple and all this temple.
Yeah, this is what
This
Arun.
was dated more than 300 years ago about the Wat Arun Temple. Let's ask the grocery.
สายของเรือนะคะที่ได้รับสวัสดิ์อรุณราชวรานะคะหรือว่าแจ้งเรานะคะ
Ayan, what aron. Ito. Ayan siya, ang wat aron. Fly me to the moon.
Спасибо. Wow, the compliment from Russia. Let's do Macarena. One for you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
Thank you.